Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have an Outlet 2001 BMW F650GS. This adventure style bike has 23,500 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. Tires on this bike appear to still be in good shape. Looks like there's some good life left in them. It's had a minor tip over on both sides, but it's all pretty minimal. They've got an adjustable, taller touring windscreen on it. They've added bark busters with the hand shields to it. And as you can see on the end of the bark buster here, where it was a tip over. But as you can see, the rest of the side of the bike looks good. And then again, we've got a little scraping here on the exhaust guard. The other thing that's been added to it is the luggage rack. Same with the back tire. Like I said, still appears to have some good life left in it. See a little scuff damage here too. It's got some scrapes here on the side. And again, as well as on the bark buster. Side of the bike, pretty clean. Now this bike does come with ABS that you can turn on and off. $23,495 is what's on it. This 2001 BMW F650GS is an outlet motorcycle, which means it will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.